Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with QuickBooks and want to go ahead and set up some accounts in their chart of accounts. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then you want to click on Menu so it toggles down. Highlight transactions and then click on chart of accounts. Once you've done so, this is going to be a list of all your chart of accounts. You want to click on new, and then one by one, you want to start adding your accounts to your chart of accounts. So for example, if you want to add one of our banks, we can call it Wells Fargo Bank, and then select the account type and then the detail type, which is called checking, and then click on save. So keep in mind though that when you do run QuickBooks, you are going to be given some default accounts within your chart of accounts, which include like some banks, some accounts receivables, and some accounts payables. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.